Hello my dears, Namaste. In this video, we are going to see how to improve the posture in kids. For that, I am going to demonstrate a few simple upper body exercise which can be done easily at home. Without any equipment, by this you can easily correct your posture. Before that, can you identify yourself which one of these postures? Nowadays, our lifestyle are causing used to have a really a bad posture. From posting habits such as slouching sitting in front of the computer for an extended period of time, continuously texting and looking down at your phone, carrying really heavy bags or ladies carrying high heels 24 by 7. When your spine is positioned in an unnatural alignment, the curve or exaggerated, which can be due to tight or weakened muscle, resulting in bad posture, and correct posture over time can lead to chronic pain. A good posture is when you hold your body upright where the least strain is placed on the supporting muscles and ligament. During movement, it is externally improved to have a good posture. When you have a proper posture, it improves bodily alignment, eliminates back or a neck pain, improves circulation, digestion, breathing, make you look tall and also make you look and feel confident. Now I am going to show the video that what mistake we are all doing while using the electronic gadgets during our online class or any other personal work. At least by seeing this video, you can correct them and come to know why you need to take care of your posture. After watching the video, I think you are all clear how to use it in a right way. So do not fail to follow it. Let's watch the video. Let's talk about the 4 common type of bad postures and how you can change it. First, the lumbar lotus. Your lower back curve inward more than it could naturally do there an imbalance between the muscles surrounding the pelvis bone. This can be caused by sitting too much and not stretching, which shorten the hip flexor. So what we try to fix is the tight hip flexor, weaken core muscles and weaken gluteus muscles. Here are the exercise you can do. First exercise, hip flexor stretch. Hip flexor stretch. Place left knee on the floor directly under the left hip and the right foot in front of the right hip in a 90-degree angle. Then lean forward into your right hip and you will feel the stretch on the left hip flexor. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds and change side. Repeat for total of 3 to 4 round next. Now the second exercise, knee to chest stretch. Knee to chest stretch. Lie flat on your back and bring knee closer to your chest. You will feel the stretch on your lower back, hamstring and glutes. The third exercise, cat-cow stretch. Cat-cow stretch. Start on all four in a neutral position, back flat and abs engaged. On the exhale, round your spine up towards the ceiling track, your chin towards your chest, releasing the tension from the neck. On the inhale, arc your back, lift your head and tailbone upwards the sky. This helps to release tension from the hip and back. Fourth exercise, hip bridge. Hip bridge. Lie with your back and both feet flat on the floor. Slowly draw your abdominal up towards the ceiling, squeezing your glute right at the top for 5 seconds. Release back to safely position and repeat. The fifth is the abdominal crunches. Another basic exercise to perform is abdominal crunches, which will help to strengthen the core muscles. Lie on your back with both feet flat on the floor. Slowly crunch up by lifting your shoulder off the floor. Hold for 2 seconds. Slowly lower the back down and repeat. Thoracic hypothesis or hunched back. You have rounded shoulder. The joints of your scrotum and breastbone are unstable in order. To stabilize this joints your body, recruit the pivot muscles by bringing the shoulder forward. When your shoulder are consequently pulled forward, the muscles in your back become lengthened and weak, and your chest muscles are tight. This can be caused by sitting with a bad posture or hunched over a computer for an extended period of time. For this, we see exercise. Let go. First exercise, chest open. To stretch your chest, place both hands at the back of your head. Squeeze your shoulder bladders together to create tension in the upper back and shoulder. While opening up at the chest, hold this position for 10 seconds. Release and repeat 5 times. You can even do this while sitting at the desk. Second, bad dog. Bad dog. Start on all four in the neutral position. Keep your back flat and pelvis Still reach your right arm forward and left leg back. Do not let your hip rock or your lower back arc to really prove your abs in. Hold for 5 seconds. Return to the starting position and repeat on the opposite side. Complete 10 reps on each side. Third is the Superman. Superman starts by lying on your belly facing down, arm extended forward. Lift your arm, shoulder and leg few inches off the floor. Squeeze your glutes, low back and bend your elbow to bring your arms back to squeeze the mid back. Hold for 2 seconds. Return to starting position and repeat for at least 10 reps. This exercise will strengthen the glute and back muscles. Now the fourth exercise. Start by lying on your belly facing down and arm by side with the palm facing up. Engage your glute and lower back muscles to lift your upper body and leg few inches off the floor. Exhale and place your 10 beats and repeat. Start face down and place your hands closer to your chest, elbow pointed back. Push up to lift your chest off the ground. Look up and feel the stretch on your lower back. Hold for 10 counts. Return to the starting position and repeat your another 3 more. Next is the forward head. Forward head, your head position is propagating forward ahead of your shoulder. If you are to lean against the wall, the back of your head does not touch at the wall. That is very common in people who sit in front of the computer for most of the days. This causes tension, stiffness or pain in your neck, shoulder and back to matters work. It can also lead to migraine, jaw pain. So what we are trying to fix is the weak front neck muscles and the short side and the strained back muscles. This exercise are done for the chin. Next, first exercise, head stretch. Head stretch, use your head to gently stretch your neck up, down and sideways. Hold each position for at least 5 seconds. Repeat 3 to 4 rounds and this will help to release the tension on the neck. Second exercise, head with shoulder rotation. In a neutral position, place both arms by the side of your head. Gently rotate the neck and shoulder one side and feel the slight squeezing on your up back and shoulder. Release to the center and repeat on the other side. Third exercise, shoulder blade squeeze. Move your shoulder forward, up and back into circular motion and squeeze your shoulder blades for 2 seconds. Complete 10 repeats. This exercise will help to strengthen the upper back muscles to support your neck. Next is the sway back. Sway back, you have a slightly round on the shoulder and extended neck and a flattened lower back. Your pelvis and hip are pushed in front of the line of your shoulder. So what we are trying to fix and strength are the back abdominal muscle, weak hip flexure, tight hamstring and back muscle and the short and tight chest muscle. The exercise to do our hamstring. First exercise, hamstring stretch. Lie down on the floor, face up with the knee bent and feet flat. Straighten one leg and gently pull your leg towards you. While keeping both hip on the floor, hold the back of your leg or your calf. Hold the stretch for at least 10 seconds. Release and repeat on the other side. For a deeper hamstring stretch, use towel. Second is the plank. Keep your elbow bent at 90 degrees directly beneath your shoulder and get your core muscles to keep your body in a straight line. From your head to your feet, Hold this position as long as you can. Planking helps to develop strength in the core, shoulder, arm and glute, which will definitely help you to improve your posture. The final workout you should all do is child pose. Start in kneeling position, push your butt back to lower your body into a child pose. With your arms stretched forward, draw your chest as close to the floor as possible to really stretch the entire back out. All this exercise might feel or seem strange to be with, but perform them on a daily basis and over time you will notice that your posture was started to improve.